In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put your eBay account on vacation. If you're stepping away for a trip or just need time to catch up, eBay's Time Away feature helps you manage buyer expectations without taking down your listings. Here's how to set it up smoothly so your shop stays professional while you're gone. First, head to eBay and make sure you're signed into the account you sell from. At the top of the page, hover over your profile avatar or your name to open the account menu. This hover reveals quick links you'll use often, including where we're going next. From that menu, click Account Settings. This takes you to your main settings hub, where you can control everything from personal info to selling preferences. On this page, look for the Time Away option. It's the dedicated place eBay provides for scheduling your absence and making sure buyers understand when orders will be processed. Click Time Away to open the Time Away dashboard. Here, you'll see tools to plan your dates and apply them to your shop. Find the schedule, Time Away control, and turn it on. This activates the scheduling section so you can define exactly when you'll be unavailable. If you're planning ahead, don't worry. eBay will only apply the change starting on your selected date. Next, click Edit Time Away. This opens the date picker so you can choose the window you'll be gone. Start with the start date. Pick the first day you'll be unavailable to handle orders. It's smart to give yourself a little buffer before you leave, especially if you have pending shipments, so nothing slips through the cracks. Then add the end date. Choose the day you expect to be back and ready to process orders again. If your return date isn't firm, select a safe estimate that gives you enough time to catch up on messages and shipping. Once your dates look right, click Apply to save your changes. eBay will schedule Time Away for the period you selected. Buyers will see messaging that reflects your absence, which helps reduce cancellations and where is my order messaged. For messages, keep in mind, existing orders still need to be handled according to your commitments, and Time Away doesn't cancel anything already sold. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Double check your time zone so the start and end happen when you expect, and review your listings after applying to confirm the notice appears. Planning ahead ensures a smooth experience for both you and your customers. That's it. Your eBay account is now set for Time Away. Have a great break and thanks for watching.